How to find children of nodes using BeautifulSoup. I want to get all the A tags which are children of Lee. I know how to find element with particular class like this. But I don't know how to find all A, which are children of Lee class equals test, but not any others. Like I want to select.
Try this.
There's a super small section in the docs that shows how to find/find_all direct children. This URL. In your case says you want link 1, which is first direct child. If you want all direct children,
perhaps you want to do.
Try this. Other reminders. The find method only gets the first occurring child element. The find_all method gets all descendant elements and are stored in the list.
BeautifulSoup.